Hello everybody. How are y'all doing today? As you can tell, I'm having audio issues and I'm also currently sick, so that's another bonus. But we're not, whereas we're gonna go on to the charts because that's what you're here for. And you know, it's another day that I'm uploading because we are at a negative day for today. Currently Bitcoin we have at $21,000, going back from it past all-time lows back in June. So we do see a really strong support at $20,000. So you know, not financial advice, but you know, I'm personally accumulating at this time as always, just in time for the bull market whenever it comes back, whenever it decides to come back. But another thing I wanted to talk about during this bear market is accumulating NFTs. But before we talk about that, I want to talk about a brand new NFT that I got. No, not the Cardano cross croc, because I already had this one, but I actually did a breeding from this croc and this croc. Radioactive croc, normal croc. What do we get? We get this baby croc. Okay, so it's not loading for some reason, so I'm just gonna pop it up on the screen right now. And yeah, that's basically what it looks like, pixelized. But onto what I want to accumulate is historical NFTs. First historical NFTs, crypto skulls. Yeah, not crypto punks, because I cannot afford that. The floor price is just way too high for my budget, so we're gonna have to stick with the second NFT collection, profile picture collection, which is crypto skulls. I'm personally looking at the ones that have the cross bones, so if anybody has one for 0.5 ETH that has skull bones, hit me up, let me know. I'm interested in purchasing. But yeah, that's basically it in terms of ETH NFT projects. In terms of Cardano projects, we gotta go with the OG Space Buds, currently at 3,380, which is, god damn, that's a lot. But you know, I'm willing to offer 3,008 if anybody's interested. Current Cardano price is currently around 40 something cents. I'll pop it up on the screen. But yeah, if anybody's interested, let me know. We can make something work out. I really want a Space Bud just because it's way cheaper than, you know, a crypto punk, obviously, and they look pretty cool. I don't know. What you guys think? So if you're a fan of the channel, you know that I've been wanting a Boss Cat Rocket Club cat, and the floor price has dropped like crazy. And I remember in the past videos I said 1,008 was my offer, and now at this point I could just scoop, you know, any of these cats up. But I want you guys to decide which cat should I cop, or which guys you'd be interested in me having. This is really one that I really like. I really like the project, great fundamentals, and can't go wrong with it. That's just my personal opinion, so not financial advice. But other than that, those are basically the NFTs that I'm trying to accumulate during this bear market. Just, you know, some strong blue chip fundamentals. But that's just my opinion. You guys do your own research. But as always, make sure to check out the Twitter at Monopoly10 for any new updates, NFT purchases and stuff like that. Which actually, I just got these BlockFi socks. Pretty cool, pretty radical. And I got the BlockFi card. So I'm going to do an update video on that after I've been using it for a month and let you guys know what I think. But other than that, thank you so much for watching, and I will see you guys in the next one.